Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about how you can enter your Wi-Fi password when trying to connect your BMC Luna G3 to your Wi-Fi network. Press the home button to light up your LCD display. Rotate the dial knob until settings is highlighted in blue. Push the dial knob in to reach patient settings. Dial the knob right until Wi-Fi is highlighted in blue and press the knob in. Available Wi-Fi networks will be displayed here. Push the knob in and turn the dial to highlight your network. Push the knob in again, and from here you can enter your Wi-Fi password. Rotate the dial knob to select each individual letter of your password. You can even select numbers above. Click the second button from the top left to access special characters. And select the top left button to adjust to capital letters. Once you have entered your password, turn the knob until you reach the bottom right button and press the knob in. This will connect your Luna G3 to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, your supplier will be able to check your data as well as make any pressure adjustments that you require at your discretion. And there you have it. Your BMC Luna G3 Auto CPAP machine has been connected to your Wi-Fi network. I hope this video has been a big help. If you'd like to stay up to date with all of our latest tutorials and overviews, make sure you subscribe below to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Have a great sleep.